So hey everyone, welcome back to the XRP news roundup for January 1st, 2026 with everything you need to understand what's happening in the Ripple and XRP world right now. And well, break it down in a simple language. So whether you are a trader, investor, or just curious, you'll get the full picture. So big news, Ripple has just kicked off 2026 by unlocking 1 billion SRP token from Xpro. It's a monthly release of the year. This escrow system was set up in 2017 to give everyone a predictable supply schedule and unlock happen smoothly today, right on the time. But don't be the 1 billion figure scares you. Not all of it's necessary hits the market. Historically, Ripple relocks most of the token or use only the portion for liquidity or operation. So now let's talk about the price. The SRP is trading near about $1.85 to $1.88 as the new year begins. Fairly fat and showing some consolidation after volatility end to the last year. Some reports are describing this as range-bound price actions, means traders are watching this key resistance and support level without a big breakout yet. Other date other data shows a liquidation imbalance on SRP position, meaning many leverage bets were cleared at start of trading, potentially shifting from short-term market dynamics. So, what's important behind the headline is a supply dynamics. SRP available supply on exchange has dropped multi-year lows, roughly 1.5 million token, down from much higher levels last year. So at the same time, the SRP ETF in the US are seeing inflows, meaning institutional money is quietly moving SRP out of a exchange and into a long-term vehicle. This combination, a less supply on exchange plus ETF demand, and can reduce a seller pressure and create a tighter market. That can be a bullish if demand continues to rise. So there was also controversial memo circulating with the XRO unlock transaction that claim a Ripple sold. I believe, guys, yeah, it's a 8 billion of SRP in 2024 and plans to sell more in 2026. But important point, that message didn't come from Ripple itself, right? So it was posted by someone trying to spread a narrative and not an official company statement. Always double check where the news come from, especially big like around a big token movement day, like days like this. Let's zoom out and look at the past headlines. Then a bullish analytics are pointing to projection that SRP could rally significantly in 2026, with some modern targeting higher price later in the year if institution interest and regulatory clarity improve. But not everyone is overly optimistic. The price pressure sideways movement earlier in 2026 suggested the market is still balancing short-term selling with optimistic long-term flows. So right now, the SRP story is one of the structural adoption slowly building, supply tightening and trading range behavior, and not an explosive rocket gain yet, but a foundation that traders are watching. So if you are turning into the US, here are the few simple things that to keep eye on. First, I will say the exchange supply level of falling supply can tighten a price momentum, and ETF inflows. Those are early signals of institutional interest. Then a price range break, a move above a key resistance could a signal momentum. The full official Ripple announcement always rely on a verified source. So that's your concise of January 1st, 2026 SRP news update. Big unlock day, stable price action, and supply tightening and ongoing institution flows. If you found this helpful, let me know.